Welcome, friends. Today we are going to see commonly asked question in interviews like what is singleton pattern, and in this singleton pattern we will going to see a thread shape singleton. This question is mostly asked in Deloitte or Cognizant companies. So let me get you started to this. What is singleton? Here we can see. A singleton is a design pattern which is used in software engineering to ensure that class has only one instance created at the application level. Means only one instance of the class we can create, so and that we can access that instance across our application. And this is a singleton class is oftenly used in logging, caching, database connection, thread pooling and other among scenarios. Uh, for singleton how we can achieve thread sub singleton. So let me you get started with the example. Here I am starting with one example. First, we need to create a singleton instance. So let me define one singleton instance here. Public, static, volatile, singleton instance. Like what it will do, this variable hold a singleton instance of a singleton class. So which will it is declared volatile to ensure visibility of changes to variable across threads. For that purpose, we can define this singleton instance. Next, we have to define holds singleton instance. So next, we need to make our constructor private. So private singleton, what singleton? Why we are making private? So only one instance of the object is created. So we cannot create another instance in the application. That's why we are making this constructor as a private. And next, we need to create one method so we can access our singleton instance. For that, here I am defining public static singleton get instance, and we will check in this if instance equal to null. Then we will get to synchronize singleton class. So every time in our application, only one thread can allow to access that instance. So there will be only one instance will be written in multi-threaded environment. So let me define synchronize mice. I are creating singleton dot instance of class, and in this we will double check this if instance equal to null, then we will simply return new instance. Whenever any thread access this, let me explain this. Instance equal to new singleton. We will return the instance of this. this method will ensure that only one singleton instance of the access in the any multi-threaded environment. Uh, as we have make this class as a singleton. So let me define one method which will show us like public void show message. We will print out the message from this method and we will access this method with the help of singleton class. So system.out.com hello from singleton. Now what we will do, we will use our main method to access this method main singleton equal to singleton dot get instance. The get instance method of the singleton class will be which will return us instance of this class, and we will simply call singleton dot show message. So here all looks good, and we will see where is the failing instance. It is synchronized, not capital S. Instance equal to no singleton. But we have some error. I will check that. Cannot resolve symbol singleton. That we need to use class name. Cannot resolve symbol singleton. Yeah, just I have given this. So let me run this program, guys, and we will see the output of this. If we are able to access that method with the help of singleton class. Here we can access that. So this method will ensure like only one instance will be written in multi-threaded environment. That's from this video, guys. If you like the content of the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for the watching. Thank you.